Hi Cancer, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for June 18 to June the 20th. Now Cancer, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate or hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions or i-check yung ibang reading, nandun po yan sa kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. No? Cancer, I want you to know that this reading is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Cancer, let's start. Ang nakikita ko dito, Cancer, is parang bakit mas nafe-feel mo, no? Medyo okay, mas okay ang buhay mo nung medyo nahiwalay tayo. Kumbaga, at first siguro, kini-question natin yung yung separations, no? Separations can be physical or energetic. Physical, may distance, no? Ang energetic, yung distance nito, pwedeng the person might be in a different barangay, barrio, city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Ang energetic separation, ito po yung hindi nagpapansinan, medyo cool off, no? Mas napapansin mo nung nagkaroon tayo ng freedom, nung nawala tayo sa dynamic ng relationship, mas nagkaroon tayo ng peace of mind, no? At first, syempre hindi, no? Pero habang tumatagal, doon mo nakikita na parang mas nagkakaroon ako ng time para sa sarili ko, nagkakaroon ako ng time para sa family, friends ko, no, sa pag-aaral ko, sa trabaho ko. With the Ten of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands, I feel like you're focusing yourself into a task. It could be a task, whether it is sabihin natin task sa trabaho, sa bahay, sa pag-aaral. Pwede rin itong nakikita ko na baka naiisip mo, mag-open kaya ako ng business, mag-start kaya ako ng online selling, no? Nakakakita ko ng mga bagay na mga opportunities, no? Mas naging broad ang mind mo, nagkaroon ka ng malawak, no, na understanding. Kumbaga, ang lahat ng focus ng nakikita mo ngayon is for you, and yung progress mo, no? With the Ace of Cups and the King of Cups, followed by the Emperor. I feel like ito yung time na ilalaan mo muna ang sarili mo para sa'yo, no? Alam mo yung kanta ni Ian Constantino na Ako Muna, parang ganon, no? Let's be honest, meron pa tayong nararamdaman kay person kahit papaano, no? Pero ang sa'yo is more of, I need to focus kahit merong mga push, no? Kahit merong mga triggers na kailangan kong kausapin, kailangan kong um, sumagot, no, sa mga text, tawag, mas pinipigil mo muna or makipagkita, no? Wag na muna kasi ang sa akin is more of dito ko magfo-focus sa kumita. Well, practical, you're becoming more practical lately with the Page of Wands and the Three of Swords. Yes, nandun pa din yung mga sakit, nandun pa din yung pain, nandun pa din yung tears. And I think that you're using these challenges, these emotions, these painful situations as a ladder or a stepping stone, no? Para sabihin nating makapagsimula ulit, no? I think dito natin masasabi na yung yung thank you, no, dahil nangyari. At first hindi natin maiintindihan kung ba't nangyari yung nangyari. Pero ngayon clear na sa'yo na kaya pala nangyari yun dahil merong mga opportunities na mag-o-open. With the Three of Swords, the Hermit, and the Six of Cups. I think na sobrang miss ka ni person. Sobra-sobra, um, wow, hindi na siya nakakapag-ayos mabuti. I feel like medyo sabihin nating nalosyang, 'no, um, yung nung nawala ka kasi you have been taking care of your person quite well. Um, so ngayon nakikita niya yung damages, 'no, ng ginawa niya. Not to you, but to the person, no? With the Three of Cups, the Ten of Swords, and the Sun. What I am seeing in here, the Three of Cups, there might be a picture that you posted with, friends, and they feel like, oh, nagmo-move on si person at hindi ito, or nagmo-move on si Cancer at hindi ito pwede. I'm gonna be left alone. The Justice and the Three of Pentacles. Parang inalog mo, no, niyugyug mo ang mundo ni person. Kasi ang nakikita ko dito, para ba 'tong yung ice bucket challenge, binuhusan mo siya ng malamig na tubig na ipinapakita mo sa kanya, "I'm better off without you. Mas nag-blooming ako, mas naging, isa akong mabuting tao, mas bumuti ang buhay ko, 'no, nung nawala ka." I'm also seeing in here na napagtanto niya na nagkaroon ng reversal, 'no? Kung dati ikaw si Losyang o Losyong, 'no, na kakaalaga sa kanya, ngayon niya nakikita yung beauty mo, 'no? Tapos siya naman itong, "Nasaan yung nag-aalaga sa'kin ng mukha kong pariwara," 'no? So, Cancer, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing um, Taurus, Libra, Pisces, uh, Cancer, Virgo, Aries, Scorpio, Leo, Capricorn. Yeah, so this is your reading. Cancer, again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions or i-check ang ibang readings, nasa kabilang channel po yan, that is Babaylan TV. No? So, Cancer, pwede rin po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. Ayan. So, kung feeling niyo po hindi kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, at sa description box po ng video na ito, there is a link. Either you have to copy the link or click the link. You're gonna be routed to my page or type in your questions and click submit. Nandun po lahat ng instructions, the payment methods. Take advantage of the 4+1. Yun po ang ating promotions. So, discounted price for 4 questions plus 1. And if you also want to avail our private reading, nandun din po yan sa description box. So, love and light to you. Namaste. See you on the next live or the next reading. Goodbye po, Cancer. You want the best of my heart, you just